Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maryam and I am glad that you're here. In today's video I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different, so this is not gonna be a video tutorial. Actually, what I'm gonna be doing is an unboxing of a really cool storage unit that I got from scrapbook.com. So what I have inside this box is the 360 craft tower rotating organizer from scrapbook.com. This is a clear acrylic plastic tower with a rotating base plate and a top rack, and it is customizable, and it really is a genius, seriously genius storage solution for your supplies and tools. This particular set that I have right here comes with 4 shelves, but if you need more, additional shelves are sold separately at scrapbook.com obviously. And this thing can hold a maximum of 14 shelves, so yeah, that's quite a lot. Oh, also, before I forget, I wanted to mention that this tower is also available in white, so if you don't like the clear one, then you can get the white one. Okay, so now that we've seen what was inside the box, let's assemble this tower. I'm gonna be reading the instructions so you guys can follow them as well if you want, but this really is an easy process and it literally took me just a few minutes to complete. Okay, first we have to insert one center panel into the holes of the spinning base plate, and the notch opening will be facing up. Next, we're gonna insert the second center panel into the base plate holes with the notch opening facing down this time, okay? Following this, carefully flip the unit over and affix 4 of the silicone rings onto the ends of the center panels to hold them in place. Flip the unit right side up again and attach your shelves at any position of your choosing, and make sure the lift edge of the shelves is facing up because that is the correct position to secure your supplies. Affix the silicone rings on the notches of the shelves once again to hold them in place. Insert the top rack piece onto the 4 center panel ends. Affix 4 more silicone rings onto the ends of the center panel notches. And guess what? That is it. Then you will just have to fill the tower with whatever supplies you want or need, and you're good to go. Okay, and here's my tower filled with some of my most used supplies. Okay, so at the top I put some of the tools I reach more often, like my tweezers, a bone folder, my scissors, some of my copying markers. I also put adhesive, embossing powder, some twine, my old new stamp cleaner, black ink, and some other things. Under here, I put some of my large washi tapes, as you can see here, as well as some of the regular size ones. Next, we have some little sequin yards from Data Book Design. Next, I've got some of my ink pads. And here, we've got some liquid watercolors from Old and New. In the next shelf, I've got an acrylic block, some ink spray, on the Old New embossing paste. Next we have some more ink pads. Here I put some Dada Pops and some shape sprinkles from Data Book Design. And last we have some more liquid watercolors from Old New. Okay, now I'm gonna leave you guys with some close-up shots, and I think that is gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to check out the info box below to get the link to this awesome tower, and yeah. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Don't forget to visit my blog for more inspiration and to follow me on social media. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!